To add a VK share button to your Wix website, follow these steps. First, you need to create a VK account if you do not already have one. VK is a social networking site that is popular in Europe, so having a share button for it can help you reach a broader audience. Once you have a VK account, go to the VK developers page and create a new application. This will give you an app ID that you will need later. After creating the application, go to the Wix website and log into your account. Click on the Add button on the left side of the page and then click on More. Search for HTML iframe and click on it to add it to your page. This will allow you to add custom HTML code to your website. Next, go back to the VK developers page and click on the Share button. You will see a link that says Get the code. Click on it and select the type of share button you want to use. Copy the code that is provided and paste it into the HTML iframe that you added to your Wix page. Replace the app ID in the code with the app ID you created earlier. You can customize the appearance of the share button by changing the parameters in the code. For example, you can change the size and color of the button. After you have added the code, click on the Apply button to save the changes. The VK share button should now be visible on your website. You can test it by clicking on it and seeing if it shares your content correctly. It is a good idea to place the VK share button in a prominent location on your website, such as at the top or bottom of a page, or in a sidebar. This will make it easy for visitors to find and use the button. You should also consider adding other social media share buttons to your website to give visitors more options for sharing your content.